Hello wishers, welcome to my channel SA Shell Speaks Messages. I am SA. This is the reading for the sign of Aquarius for the month of December 2016. This is my heart reading, heart matter. So if you are new to this channel, this is your self card, heart card, what you should be doing, and I'll be giving you the hidden message. Also, I'm feeling like giving the love message for you, okay, for December 2016. So I'll be presenting you with that. Sometimes I do it when I feel like. Aquarians, these are general readings, so if whatever resonates, accept. Whatever doesn't, just let it go. Okay, first thing, do listen to your sun, moon, rising. If you're interested in an in-depth reading, always contact me. There's a, in my about section on YouTube channel and on Facebook page about section, I have given the counseling charges for one focus. Okay, so it will be convenient for you and me as well. You can always follow me on Instagram. I'll be starting some things over there by name SA Shells. So let's start. I have to be sometimes fast forward. Alright, so Aquarius, right, someone, now let's start. Someone will be giving you a promise of a lifetime. It's here in the card as well, and I feel as if it's a promise written. I feel a direct promise of a lifetime. So it's a new startup, new moon, like new life, new horizon, new change, something like that. Okay, now let's grab the hidden message now. First thing, the hidden message for you is that you are opening doors for new realities, new choices, new desires, Aquarius, okay, in the month December. So it's like on situation, you are doing it, practicing it, coming out of some old situations as well. You know that there is nothing, you know that something not being fulfilled by someone, and it can go vice versa. Possible that you are just coming out because you don't want to stay there. Okay, can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Also can be Libra, Taurus in particular, fire element, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So whatever comes, I'm giving you. I feel as if you still want that they should talk to you or communicate with you sometimes or message you. You want to know what is going on there, but actually you know the reality. So you know that was a tired phase. You have come out and you're still on with that, your journey. I feel as if you're taking stand for yourself and standing in front of the mirror and talking with self that it will not happen, so let's not think about it. Okay, that's the way. Also for some of you, I feel as if you're thinking about someone, specifically water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and you know that's like a desire to talk to them, maybe want to communicate, and you don't know what is there actually. So you are like, all right, so let's stop thinking about it for time being and let's be busy in work, and you are letting it go. So it's like stopping thinking about someone, some situation, letting go. That's what I'm getting the message. All right, now for some of you, I just want to give you right now the love message. I feel there will be a change at the home front. So it's like a sudden change that will enter. I feel some of you will like suddenly, it will be like engagement or marriage, and it will be not bad, not negative, but for some of you, yes, I do feel that it will be an adjustment. Now howsoever it is, just grab the energy. That's what I'm feeling. For some of you, I feel as if in December you'll be again taking trips, frequent trips. Okay, shifting places, one home to next home. So it can be like your home only, or like parents home to some sibling home, to from siblings home to friends. So it's like a shifting. I hope you're getting the message. Exactly, it's like a shift of home from one place to another, taking care of responsibilities also. Okay, so you are doing it and you cannot change it. Something will be there. Also, I feel as if some travel for some of you in December, which is like regarding some event, possible some event, something will be organized very suddenly and you will not be like prepared for it. It can be positive. Most often I feel as if it will be a positive event and you'll be going there. That's what I see. You'll be happy. Maybe you are not ready, but it will come. You can do anything. Maybe it will be an invitation. You're going with your siblings, friends, family, and it will be to some distance, and you're going there. Can be in the city, but it's too distance, not at home. I feel event out, and it will be like fruitful for you. Maybe you'll be meeting some people out there. new people, new change, culture change, accent change possible. Okay, now I feel, let's come here. Aquarians, I feel as if you'll be organizing yourself more in December. It is all about mails, texts, money, finance, power, fame, wealth, everything, those nice words, because it's in. Okay, so you're becoming more independent regarding finance. You'll be very possessive about what you are earning. You'll be taking care of it. Also, I feel it will be like home front balancing, work balance. If you're working from home, it will be again a balance. You have to take care of home, and even if you're single, you have to take responsibilities of family, okay, where you live. Yes, that's what I'm getting. All right. Okay, someone is very possessive about you, okay, and it is like you want to tell them that, look, I am doing things in the family front. They still demand more attention from you. Okay, can be some for specifically for females, it's like your king, okay, of earth element, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Specifically, it can be any other sign, also can go vice versa. If you are a gentleman listening, it can go for your queen. Okay, again, earth element, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You love them, and it's like a very possessive behavior that you might show sometimes. So don't do it, because it make them feel a little bit unstable. You are Aquarians do, or like, you know, they don't like so many restrictions but that's okay, they are by your side. For some of you, I feel December is again, I told you, now it's again here. Well, I'm repeating the words. I feel as if some quick organizations, quick movement, trips. It is regarding work. Possible that you are working and you need to move. Also, you're taking care of responsibilities, and then again you're shifting to some place. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, journey. You might get tired a little bit in December because load of work is there on your shoulders. Yes, because you don't want to lose out on opportunities regarding work. That's why. Okay, so you have to take care of the family also. Maybe you are at some place and you're taking care of your family. How? Maybe it's about your siblings. Possible that your close friend, you're taking care of them. Possible. That's what I see. Okay, for some of you, but ultimately it like these journeys that will be on, the work that will be on, will make you ultimately have rest later on. Leaving December will like, and entering into sorry for blabbering, 2017 startup, it will be rest phase again. Rejuvenation will enter your world. I feel it's like you feel more victorious when you work, Aquarians. I feel you're an air element. Let me take a pause. Blabbering happens. Okay, I feel that this, whatever will happen, will make you more strong, more independent, financially strong, organized. That's what I see. Yes, for some of you, I feel as if you're not expecting, you are busy in your work, getting a pregnancy news. For people who are in an established bond, okay, and you will be like, for some of you it is like a surprise, and you are happy but you're concerned about your work. Don't worry, because I feel as if your partner is very organized and they'll be by your side no matter what. So they'll take stand for you, taking care of you, and your work will be on. Okay, they'll share your responsibilities. For some of you, I feel as if big organization, big event is coming up for you. You will have to go there. Yes, and it will be like, maybe you will have to take care of the responsibilities. I'm saying it because it's coming. Taking care of the responsibilities and then again moving. Okay, attending this, and it will be very beneficial for you, right? So I am viewing many mails, emails, messages, texts, related work, even, yes, specifically related work. Yes. Okay, let me see. Travel is definitely is there. So much of travel I can see. Okay, I'll come back to this. Let's talk about this. This is new moon promise. So this is your self card, your heart card. Some of you are promising to yourself what you want to do in life, and you are fulfilling it. You have some desires, you have chosen it, you're working on it. You want to be famous, you want wealth, health, good health, love, everything. So you are capturing it, okay, one by one. It's like a step by step process. Some of you want to bring families close, your families, your relatives, your siblings, friends. I feel this is like a promised time that you'll be by their side, right? New startups I can feel, new journeys, new place totally. You're shifting for time being maybe, but you will come back. But it is like a new thing, new something. Okay, new place. You might visit some place, lake type. I also feel that. If you're not doing it, do it. If you are with your partner, do it. It will be more emotionally grounding situation. That's the message from the card. That's what you can see even. Okay, that's what I can see. I want to speak this. I will directly speak this message from here. I have just noted it. Okay, this is the time to launch a project, a new relationship, or renew something that has been put aside for a later date, with your intention and willingness to allow a full cycle to complete itself. That which you desire will manifest. The seed of that idea is ready to emerge from the darkness of your subconscious into the full awareness. The next step is to put into action what is required to fully realize this idea. A promise has two meanings. It can be a commitment and guarantee to yourself or someone else that a particular thing will happen, or it can imply that something specific is expected to happen. When your will is aligned with the will of spirit and your intention is focused upon what you wish to have happen, there will be fulfillment and the promise to kept. Okay, I just wanted to give this message in this way, so I gave. I also feel, Aquarians, you have a desire to connect with someone, okay, and it is with specific for you Cancerians, okay, can for females, males, females. I feel this promise is like maybe it can afoot sometime on this journey possible, or you will go somewhere and you'll meet them, or it will be just be a sight of both of you seeing each other, but it will be something, a startup of a new, okay, I was holding here, sorry, something new, okay, so it's a promise. And whatever you are feeling inside that it should happen, you're attracting it and it will happen. It is about your dreams and it is about someone you are thinking, okay. Let's say, okay, that's all the messages were. If something will be there, I'll write. Aquarians, take care of yourself, loads of love, get ready, pack your bags, okay. Bye bye. SA Shell speaks messages.